How's it going, YouTube? Formar Ranch here, and today I have something special in the spirit of Halloween coming up, and that is blowing up some pumpkins with Tannerite. So right here I have a half pound of Tannerite that I'm going to be putting inside some pumpkins I got out here, and we're going to work our way up. Stay tuned to see what happens. The rifle I'm using today is the Remington 700 AAC SD edition. Comes from the factory with a 20-inch heavy barrel that is threaded for suppressor. As soon as mine gets out of ATF jail, I cannot wait to throw mine on top. My optic is the Vortex Viper PST 6-24 by 50 front focal plane scope in mils. Love this optic, and as you can see, it's helping me be pretty accurate while shooting those pumpkins that are about 100 yards away. Don't you like it when it fits perfect? So here's where Tannerite can get a little bit frustrating. As you can see, we are clearly hitting the pumpkin multiple times. We've even spun it around so that it still looks nice and neat for you guys on camera, but the Tannerite inside is still not punctured, and you gotta hit the Tannerite, obviously, in order to get the explosion that you want. So it's kind of hard to shoot at something you can't see when it's inside of a pumpkin, but we'll go ahead and keep trying. 1 pound of the Tannerite, so 2 of the capsules. Alright guys, so I'm out here on another day. Unfortunately, last time I was trying to film this pumpkin video, I didn't get to finish because of cattle moving in the area, but today there's not a cow in sight, and we are now moving on to 3 pounds of Tannerite to finish this off. So got it strapped together, looks pretty legit. I think it should work. Let's go ahead and see what it does to the last pumpkin. Instead of putting it inside, I went ahead and just put the pumpkin on the top of it, and we'll go ahead and see how far we can launch this pumpkin. Last pumpkin with 3 pounds of Tannerite. Alright, so taking a look, it's kind of weird. It looks like most of the forces actually went horizontal rather than vertical, but actually I'm noticing there's a lot of unburnt powder, so not all of it ignited. Here's the plywood it was sitting on. So it looks like most of the energy went downwards. So kind of interesting that the most explosive we use for this video seemed to do the least amount of damage, but again, I would anticipate it's because this looks to be about half a pound of Tannerite that did not ignite, and that's why sometimes Tannerite can be a little bit frustrating to use, unfortunately. Alright guys, well, hope you enjoyed that, and if there's anything else that you want to see blown up with Tannerite, please leave it in the comments below. And from everyone here at Formar Ranch, we wish you a happy Halloween, and as always, have a good one.